welcome to our first play and stay session. So today we're going to make some Play-Doh. So if you can grab your wee leaf that we give to your mummies and have a wee look through all the ingredients and have everything ready. So we're going to have some fun today making our Play-Doh. So what we want the mummies to do is to take some photographs of you getting messy and send us them through WhatsApp or a wee comment or something you really like doing. Thank you. Hi everybody, first thing you will need for our Play-Doh session is 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar, or you can buy them in these wee sachets, use one of those, a big squeeze of cooking oil, or you can use baby oil, 1 cup of hot water, and your bowl, a wooden spoon.
Hi boys and girls, my name's Karen.
Hi boys and girls, my name's Claire and welcome to your programme. And today we're going to make Play-Doh, so you have all your ingredients ready.
Now, so first of all we're going to start with combining all the dry materials. So I'm going to start with the flour. And don't be afraid to let all the children explore the raw materials, different textures of the flour. It's nice and soft. And then I'm going to add my other cup of flour. Nice and fluffy. And then the salt. And the salt feels gritty. So allow the children to feel the different textures and when they're mixed together. Next, I'm going to add the cream of tartar in one of the wee sachets. There we go. Get your wooden spoon and mix.
Hi boys and girls, Karen's done all the dry ingredients. I'm going to do the wet ingredients. So you add a big splash of oil and mix that round with your wooden spoon. Get it all combined in with the flour. And then it's time for water. So you have to get your mummy or your daddy or adult to help you. So not too much at first. A splash and mix it around again. We want it combined into a ball. Thicken that a wee bit, and then we're going to get our hands in and feel all the textures. Oh, boys and girls, it's lovely and moist and soft, and it's lovely and warm because the water's warm. And now I think I need another wee bit. Make it into a ball. Get them hands in, all sticky. And maybe we might need our adult to help us at this stage get it into the ball. Claire needs some more water. Get them hands in. Mix it round and round. Get all them finger muscles working. Now, boys and girls, now that it's nearly in the ball, well, what we do is we put it on our table. So we get some flour, sprinkle it over your table so it doesn't stick. And then we're going to knead it and make it nice and smooth. So we use the flat of our hands and turn it and roll it. And if you might need your adult to help you again, get it nice and smooth so it'll work well as Play-Doh. Now, all nice and smooth, we're going to make something.
Now, boys and girls, we're going to use our imagination and explore the Play-Doh. We're going to make it into a ball, into a football. Rolling it. Roll, roll, roll. And then this one, I'm going to make a pizza. So again, roll the dough. Mummy and Daddy might need to help. Roll it. Gonna put some pepperoni on the pizza, some ham on the pizza, whatever's your favourite. That's our pizza done. Now, I am going to make a snake, big snake. Let let's see. We can also use our fingers and make some marks in the natural Play-Doh. Look at that big snake. And then we're going to make a snowman. This into 2 balls. There we go. Get another wee one. Rolling again. Feel the Play-Doh, it's lovely and soft and still a little bit warm. There we go.
Now boys and girls, now we're going to do scent in our Play-Doh. Now whatever you have in your cupboard, I have some cinnamon here, so I'm going to sprinkle it on top of my Play-Doh and mix it round. Boys and girls, and look, smell a nice sweet cinnamon, and as you mix it through, it'll turn the Play-Doh a little different colour, and then you will smell,
Hi boys and girls, we're now outside, so what I need you to do is to go out into your garden and collect some natural resources so we can extend our learning and our Play-Doh making. So get a nice basket and we can collect some nice resources. Thank you.
Now boys and girls, we're going to use our natural resources that you have picked up on your nature walk. And this is some of the stuff that we got, some lovely leaves and pine cones and some lovely flowers here and just some twigs. So first off, I'm going to start with the pine cones. I'm going to roll them through the dough. They make such a lovely pattern. They're spiky. Have a wee feel and see how they feel. Spiky. And then we can roll our dough over and we can make some marks with our lovely leaves. The green leaves. And put them in, turn them apart. Use your fingers to push down to make the mark. We'll lift it off. It's lovely. Some twigs. You can break the twigs and make them smaller. You can stick some twigs in it. I'll use a wee bit of this lovely plant here. And some more, maybe this lovely leaf. And then maybe I'll take some dough off and put some of these in also. So pretty. And smell the leaves outside. See, maybe roll it into a ball and see what we can create. Oh, it's lovely. We can poke it, we can squeeze it, and we can roll, and we can push and develop our fine motor skills by manipulating the dough.
Hi boys and girls, it's Claire again. Now to extend our Play-Doh even further, I went around my house and I found all these bits and pieces. I found some seashells and hoops and some lovely wood and some sticks and some lovely shiny stones and some pasta. And guess what I'm going to make? I'm going to make a hedgehog. So, and I also find this funny roller. So I'm going to roll it out, make it nice and bumpy, and then I'm going to make it pointy for its head. Now I'm going to use these lovely sticks for the spikes of the hedgehog. Now, have to poke them deep in, get them all in, and then, what the hedgehog? Oh, I need eyes for my hedgehog. And I got 2 wee leaves out in the garden. Now look at my lovely hedgehog. And then I'm going to make another thing. I'm going to make a game with my pasta. I'm going to make a ball, make it nice and flat. I'm going to put some pasta on my Play-Doh. Hook it right down to the bottom so it's nice and stable. I'm going to put 3 in. And then with my hoops, I'm going to do this. This help with the fine motor and hand-eye coordination. Yes. Now, boys.
So that's us all finished. Thank you for attending our first Play and Stay, and it was exploring Play-Doh. We hope you enjoyed that session. So if the mummies can send us in a little picture through WhatsApp or a wee comment on how they felt it went today. And there's some of the nice things that Claire and Karen have made today. Send us some pictures of your things that you have made. Thank you.
Thanks, boys and girls.
Thank you, boys and girls.